Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Benton County until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Washburn to Keystone, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Auburn, Garrison, Vinton Memorial Airport, Mini Estima Park, Benton County Fairgrounds, Rogers Park, Cheney, Hopeful Dulan Park, and Geyser. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 46 and 48. Take cover now.
This is bouncing around inside.